Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to be vlogging. Today is June 19th, 2018. Gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I'm eating since I'm in the process of trying to lose some fat. My food has changed just a little bit, at least my intake, and I will go ahead and share with you guys my macros at the end of the video. Today I have a few fun things planned. I'm gonna be doing like a photo shoot at one of my friend's pool. He has a really nice pool in his apartment complex. It looks like super luxurious, so we're gonna go ahead and do a shoot there. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm not gonna go to the gym right now. I'm gonna shoot at Ruben's friend's house. He's gonna go to the gym and he told me to go after, so I have to get ready. So I'm gonna go to the gym later today, but I will be filming that, so I feel like it's gonna be a kind of a long vlog, but I am excited about it. I still have to do my hair. I look a mess, but I'll go ahead and share with you guys what I had this morning for breakfast. We just bought groceries the other day. I need to do like a full-on grocery haul. I had almond milk right here. Almond milk with just a hint of this Delight. Half a serving of the Delight mocha coffee with regular bottled coffee from Starbucks. And a Lenny and Larry's. I'll go ahead and show you guys the Lenny and Larry's menu. So this was my breakfast. I don't think I'm gonna eat. My stomach seems really upset for some reason. I just got off my period, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'm gonna go ahead, straighten my hair, maybe watch some soccer. I've been watching the World Cup since the 2009 one. From when I was like 14, I first started watching the World Cup. 5 years after that, I got married, and then me and Ruben watched that one together. And then now it's this one, we're 25, so it's every like 5 years. So I started watching when I was 15, 20, and now 25. So it's exciting for me. Probably be watching those matches, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I already did my hair for the remainder of the day. I kind of just did like, I don't know, basic waves, straightening my hair. I was gonna make a sandwich, but I forgot that I actually got these little, they're Lunchables. I wish I could justify it, but it is a Lunchable. It is the natural Oscar Mayer Lunchables. I mean, it's processed food. It's not the best, but I need to get my face done. Now that I think about it, I have a few things I gotta do today. I want it to be quick. 290 calories, 22 grams of carbs with less than 1 gram of sugar, 17 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat. Has a lot of fat. I'm gonna have this meal right now because I don't want to have something right before I take photos. So I know that because this has a higher amount of fat, it'll keep me full for a hot minute. And I want to have a little bit more carbs before I hit the gym. So therefore, I'm having a little bit more fats right now. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and eat. These little Lunchables. Kind of embarrassing. Hi, Ruben! Did Russia start already? Did Russia start? Alright guys, hey, I'm back. I want to say it is like 11 o'clock, about to be 11 o'clock, and I just finished filming. This is my makeup real quick. I am standing in front of my new ring light, so I feel like it probably looks a little bit better than it does in real life. But I really like the lip gloss. I'm wearing Dose of Colors Dixxy, that really pretty like shimmery nude that they have. If you want to know, let me know down below in the comments, and I will go ahead and add my makeup details in the description box. As of right now, I haven't ate anything else. I had like 3 berries. I went downstairs. Ruben got home from the gym, and I'm having a Diet Mountain Dew with a water bottle on the side. That's currently what I got going on right now. I'm trying to not have too much of the Diet Mountain Dew because I am going to be taking photos in like an hour. and it kind of does bloat me a little bit, but I was just like craving it. And I'm not gonna lie, I drink diet sodas pretty often. I think people have this misconception that like I eat really healthy foods all the time, and that's definitely not true. Every single day I sneak in or I eat things that wouldn't be considered, you know, healthy. Ruben right now is eating a Red Baron and I'm so mad. It's like those pizza boats, like those personal pizzas. Oh my god, they taste so good. I could smell it from down here, but I'm just currently drinking this to make myself feel better and having a water. I'm probably not gonna eat till after we take photos. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess that I made, and I will see you guys before I leave. Hi guys, so it is at 12 o'clock, which is actually early. I'm surprised that we are out the house by 12 o'clock because the plans changed. I was gonna, well, they didn't change now, but they did change a midday. Our friend who I was supposed to shoot at their place, which I still am, they didn't cancel on us, but for a second they were like, we're not home. So I was like, okay, shit, I'm gonna have to find a whole new place. So because I thought that I had more time, I did end up eating, and I did eat one of those pizzas that I smelled downstairs and I craved. Really not a healthy pizza or anything, I just have the room for it, and I knew that towards the end of the day I was gonna have to shift my macros to be a little bit more, you could say healthy. I'll probably have salmon tonight with like peppers and maybe a little bit of pop chips, but that is currently what we're doing. And Ruben's here. Ruben.
I just bit myself.
You just bit yourself? No,
I'm not used to the
bag. Oh, there you go. See it. Okay. B-roll? I'm so bad at B-roll. Hi guys, so today is June 20th?
Yeah.
I cannot believe the month is flying by. I started vlogging yesterday, and I'm gonna just be real. After the pool, I was so tired. We went to the Strip because Nelson had a job interview out there, and I had Burger Lounge. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with Burger Lounge. It's really good. And honestly, after that I came home, and I don't know what it was, me and Ruben like knocked out for a good like hour and a half. I was supposed to go to an event. I did not go. I felt really sick. I don't know if it's because I was out in the sun and it literally drained me of my energy. I didn't even go to the gym because it got so late. We just walked Haley around the block. I had Burger Lounge. That was kind of my last meal.
I went to the gym.
You went to the gym in the morning. I didn't, because I had to take photos by like 10.
The early bird gets the worm.
Early bird gets the worm. Well, I like to go at 6 in the morning. You don't like to go at 6 in the morning, so
too early.
Anyways,
too early.
You're just trying to clock me. I did have another Lenny and Larry's cookie with coffee, and I had some grapes at night. That was it. I didn't get enough protein. I know I didn't, and I feel like I could have easily gotten less carbs throughout the day. I didn't even track my food because I knew that it wasn't going to be on point with my macros. So I thought I would redo this today and try and show you guys actual like better meals for today, because I'm trying to get not so much back on track. I'm just trying to follow what I'm supposed to be following on my macros. I'm kind of right now, these past like 2 days, I've ate maintenance mode. I need to be eating, not maintenance mode, just maintenance macros. My calories are pretty low. I need to rearrange my macros, or stick to them, shall I say. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. This morning I just had coffee, Lenny and Larry's. I don't want to have another Lenny and Larry's today. That is a goal of mine. No other Lenny and Larry's today. I'm kind of getting over them. I go through like phases where I'll really like something in the morning and like I get over it. Like for a while it was donuts, then it was like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Now it's Lenny and Larry's. But I want to cook salmon.
I'm okay.
I'm drinking pre-workout right now. I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna do a lot of cardio today because I didn't come to the gym yesterday. So I'm probably gonna lift weights for like half an hour and do like 45 minutes of cardio.
And play ball with me?
Do it and let me play ball.
No, man.
Because I would be a danger.
You'd be the weak link in the team.
No, it's not that. It's that I'm small and I would get hurt by all you big ass people in there.
I guess so. That's the weak link. They call it a mismatch.
It's not a I'm a girl and y'all are like 3 times my size.
Like, sex doesn't matter. When you play,
gender?
Gender doesn't matter. When you play 3-on-3, right? So we play. There's always someone in the team who not always, but the majority of the time, there's always someone on the team who's like the weakest link, right?
Okay.
It could be in size, it could be experience. That's when you call it a mismatch, because whoever has him on offense or defense is supposed to take advantage of the mismatch.
That's fucked up. This is C4. I put in a scoop in half a water bottle. I need to like chug this down real quick.
You're drinking my C4?
Yeah. Hey guys, so it is now about like 2:30, almost 3 o'clock. I've been back from the gym for a while. Me and Ruben stopped at this place called the Protein Source to get food. Right after the gym, I had like a BLTA. I know it's usually called BLT. I'm assuming they have the A in there because of the avocado. But I had a bacon, lettuce, tomato with chicken in it, which is a sandwich. Chicken and turkey bacon, avocado. It was really good, and I had that with sweet potatoes. So I have been full for a good minute now. I also had grapes. I'm starting to get hungry again, and I have to film a video. I'm gonna do a what is in my gym bag video. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a protein shake and a peanut butter and jelly. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I've been doing my makeup differently, and I'm not used to it yet. I just feel like I needed to lessen up on the powders because it was really drying my skin out. So I tried following all the steps from Scott Barnes' makeup class, but I'm not used to seeing myself not so powdery, I guess you could call it, and a little bit more oily. So I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs, show you guys my peanut butter and jelly. Very simple. The bread I use, the low-calorie bread I use, and my shake protein shake. Hi. Wow. Hi, big girl. Also, I forgot to tell you guys what I did at the gym. I did 5 minutes on the Stairmaster warm-up, and then I weightlifted upper body for about 25 minutes. I did some back, and I did a little bit of arms. Do I look strong? Then I did 15 minutes on the treadmill. I jogged for about 10 minutes, walked for about 5. I got on the Stairmaster for 30 minutes, and then I did sled pushes. Sled pushes are like the sled, you put weight on it. I had 90 pounds on there, and I did 6 of those. I definitely put in a lot of effort today. I didn't go yesterday, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make myself what I believe is like my 3rd meal of the day. Okay, we got the setup. This is the low-calorie bread I eat. Nature's Own, 40 calories. Ooh. And then I use the sugar-free Smucker's strawberry jam. I do a serving. And then I have here just regular peanut butter, great value. A serving is, I want to say 14. Where it at? 32 grams. I do half a serving, so it's usually enough peanut butter for me. And then I'm going to be doing shake, vanilla flavor. So something a little scary. I had a full set on, and like one broke. I'll tell you guys this little story as I put my bread to toast. One of the nails broke, so I took it off, and then I got like, in Spanish you say ansias. I guess I got like anxious, so I started taking them off, and I took one off, and my nail looked like really yellow, and my nail has never looked really yellow before. So I was like, oh my god, is that mold? Like, it almost looked green. It was really bad. So I took all of them off, and another one looked like that. So I pretty much want to say I like healed it. Not healed it, but it's pretty much back to normal. It's my middle finger. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one right here, towards the top. So I took off these, and this one was another one that had it. The one that has a band-aid, literally my middle fingers. I had it too, and I didn't try healing it, but you know, I took off the fake nail. My friend Nelson set me up with things I could soak in it. I never really bled from my finger, so I'm not really tripping. I'm just letting my nail beds grow a little bit thicker and stronger before I put acrylics on them. Make sure you take off your sets. I wish the ladies would have told me, but I understand it's not their responsibility. Number 3, very simple. Peanut butter and jelly, chai coffee. Will keep me full for another 2 hours or so. At least let's hope. Haley! Oh god, there you go again. Oh. 8:46 p.m. Gonna finally have my dinner. It's loud downstairs. Hi, Haley! Oh wow. Can I have a cookie? I'm making the chips ahoy. I'm gonna make myself a plate of salmon real quick. I did have oh my god, like a bit, like not even a quarter of a Lenny and Larry's. I want to forget. Who's gonna win the World Cup? USA, bye.
Whoa!
Did you just fart? Relax. Fridge time. Oh, you cooked chicken?
Yeah, salmon.
Oh, you cooked chicken. Haley's going crazy. What do I do?
Hey, don't feed her that. That's what people are
I know, she throws up. Give me paw. Paw? Thank you. Thank you so much. You want me, don't you? Hey, eat the banana. Banana? You're so fake. You're not even hungry. You just want specific food. My dinner. I have sweet potatoes underneath this, salmon, peppers. This is me trying to be healthy after eating processed food the whole day. Hi guys. So today is Friday, literally like 2 days after I filmed my vlog, my eating video, and that was on Wednesday. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that day on my LifeSum and read you guys what I ate, my macros at least. So Wednesday, June 20th, I had a total of 1,600, I'm gonna say 50. It says here 37, I'm gonna say 50. I had 123 grams of protein, 171 grams of carbs, and 59 grams of fat. I did go over my fat a little bit, but I stayed underneath 200 grams of carbs, which is kind of what I'm trying to do. So yeah, that is what I ate on Wednesday. I'm trying to cut, but I'm not being super crazy about it. I think I'm probably gonna get crazy about it this upcoming week. So you guys, that sums up the vlog. I hope that you guys like it. I will be coming out with more I will be having more videos this month. I have the Tammy Hembro booty workout coming very, very soon. So that sums up this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.